Among all the street foods in Ghana, the most one I love so much is this particular one, fried yam with pepper. But in this recipe, I'm going another level. I'm doing fried yam with pork, pepper, sauce, and also black pepper. You will love it. Okay, so let's dive into it. So thank you so much, my subscribers, for the love and the support. And also, if you are new here, this is Cook with Debbie, and I love it to cook. Cooking is my passion, and I would love to use this platform to share my simple, healthy recipes with you all. So, in this one, I have my pork belly. I'm using pork belly. Yeah, so I cut everything into the desired size or shape that you want. And this ingredient that you see here is my spices that I'm going to blend for the sauce. So I have blended everything together. I divide some for the seasoning of the pork, add some salt to taste. So we mix everything together so that everyone gets it, okay? And then we marinate it for like 30 minutes. If you are in a hurry, you can go ahead and then fry. So in another pan, I added the remaining blended spice and then I covered it and then allow it for it to cook or do its work. With this one, this is the vegetables I'm going to use for the sauce. So I chop everything into the size. You can use any vegetable of your choice. And this is the sauce. So you can see that all the water has been evaporated. And at this point, when it's cooked like this, that's the time I'm going to add my oil to it. You can also do it the other way around. Adding oil and then adding the sauce is also okay. So whilst it's still on fire, I go ahead and then fry my pork. This is a shallow fry. Okay, this pork belly has a lot of fat, so I don't want to add more oil to it. It can do its work when you leave it like that. And so this is, we are turning it the other round. So we turn it until we get a golden color, or then it's ready for us to use. Okay, so something like this, then it means it's ready. So when it's ready, we take it out and set it aside for the next step. I'm taking my time for this recipe so that you get it. It was so nice, and I would love you to try it and then comment in the comment section below how it went. Okay, so here I added some oil to the sauce. As I said, you can do it the other way, adding oil and then the sauce and fry, or you can evaporate the water and then later add your oil. So this is chili pepper powder, black pepper powder, and some salt to taste. That is all that we need. Okay, so we stir everything, we stir, and then it's looking so beautiful and smelling so good. So at this point, our sauce is ready, and then we are going to add our pork to it. So if you enjoyed the video to this far, kindly support your girl. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more amazing recipes, both Ghanaian and also intercontinental dishes. Okay? Yes, I'm here to share my recipes and more to you. Thank you so much. So here I added everything to it, including my veggies, and guys, It's looking so beautiful and it's tasting so good. Okay, so at this time, we are going in for our yam. We are going to peel our yam. Okay, yeah. So this one I'm using Ghana Puna for the yam, and it tastes so good when you fry it. Like it has something like sugar inside, and it's very nice. So after peeling, I cut it into the desired shape and sizes that you want. You can choose to size it any other way, okay? So this is the shape I am going in for. I'm taking my time so that you get every step in it, because this recipe is so amazing. So I've washed it like 2 times, and this is the last water. I'm going to add my salt too for taste, and for color I'm using some powder turmeric powder just for the color, a little bit. If you want more, you can go for more, okay? And if you don't want it, you can skip it too. And this is my pan. I added my oil to it, and then not too high and not too low, so that the yam does not suck the oil when frying. So let it be a little bit high, not too high to burn the yam too. Yeah, a honey ho. Okay, so now our yam is fried and so crispy and so nice. Okay, so we are going to enjoy it. And guys, it was so delicious. So now we are done. All is left for us to do is to serve and enjoy. So I'm serving it and we are ready to eat. Thank you so much for watching to this far. And if you've watched to this end, kindly support your girl. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, share, and then more recipes every week for you. God bless you for the support and the love. See you in my next video. Bye.